What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. Just gonna shoot this quick intro before I dive into the trail video. I just want to give you guys just a quick assessment of what I experienced during the off-roading of the Jeep for the first time, and my first time at Hollister SVRA. So okay, let's start with the rubbing. So I do have some rubbing issues even at this height. It's because on full lock I hit this portion of the bumper and I hear it like I thought it was my differentials or something like that, but it was actually this. So and all around I have a rub. So I touch here, I touch so I touch there at the bumper. So just all around. I don't know if I can solve that by I think I can solve that by increasing the height or something else, but so far that's my issue. The mods I bought for the suspension, it's not to raise it up. I'm keeping the same height. I like this height. So I think next time either I'll just have a machine shop or somebody kind of grind a portion out from here, maybe like some kind of channel, so that when the wheel is turned that it won't hit. So something like that. Maybe I'll try that, because I like how this sits right now, and I like the stance of it. I don't want to raise it up even more. Yeah, so the rear is like that. So that's the only really negative thing about when my experience in the first time off-roading. But everything else is great. It climbs so easily over obstacles, over everything. So it was me, it was a Jeep and a 4Runner and a Land Cruiser, which is a 1987 Land Cruiser, which is really old. Manual, right-hand drive, no lockers, and myself. So we have a completely full range of technology and off-roading capabilities. So here, that's that. So I'll go ahead and show you guys the video, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. That was like nothing, dude.
I should have recorded
That was like
it
nothing.
earlier.
It was nothing.
It's all about the spotters, eh?
It was nothing.
Teamwork.
Yo, that was easy money.
That was nothing.
Dude, I was like,
All right. All right, guys, we are here, Hector Heights. I just came out of the No, I love the Jeep. So I love the Jeep. I'm gonna keep going on trails and doing more camping trips. But those hard crawls that we did, those rocky things, I might think about it from time to time. But like, it's not gonna be my first choice to go up to those just yet. The car's too new. I'm still babying the thing. But like, maybe later on, give me some time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It's just amazing. It's an amazing vehicle. So I'm happy that I was able to get it, and in a diesel platform to be specific. All right. Hopefully I didn't rant too long, but Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.